it's fall, the beginning of fall. The black walnuts that we have here on the property are now fruited. We're going to take some of that fruit today, we're going to pick it, we're going to take it back to the lab, and we're going to cut off the peel and make an extract from it. This is what they look like on the tree. They're green, but as they fall to the ground, they start to turn black. And we can make an extract from both this black outer shell and from the seed itself inside, and we'll do that. But also, you can make an extract from the green, but you want to pick the ones off the tree before they turn black. You can make this yourself. Obviously, we sell it on our website, but you can do this yourself. I'm going to show you how. It's not complicated, just messy, and you got to have a black walnut tree. The smell, by the way, of the green ones, it's kind of like a piney, fruity smell. It's different. And another one over here, and reach right here. As I get older, I get a little nervous about climbing trees. We're gonna just take those back to the lab. We'll peel these back, put those in our extract and let it sit, and in no time we'll have our finished extract. We're back in the lab. Now we're gonna take these black walnuts, we're gonna separate a few of them out. The ones that are nice and green are gonna be for our first extraction. So we wanna concentrate on an extract that's just from the green hulls. So we're gonna try to avoid this black stuff right here. Not that we can't use these, we can. We'll make a different extract with these at a different time because these are really messy, the black ones. We're gonna, for now, just focus on the green ones. Now we can carve away some of that green around that black, but when we open these up, if we find that it's already started, breaking down in here, kind of a natural enzymatic fermentation, we don't want those in our green ones. So let's just cut a few of these open now. And I'm not going to weigh them out or anything like that. It doesn't have to be weighed out. But what we just want to do is just kind of separate them from the hull. That's perfect. That's what we're looking for right there. So hasn't kind of turned black or fermented and rotted or anything like that yet. And there's a different chemical in the green ones than there's found in the black fermented ones. So both though are really good for you. You definitely want to wear gloves if you want to do this at home, or you could save all that hassle and just buy it from us. But anyway, we're going to collect a few of these, pop these pits out. We'll save those for that other extract. And let's see, take this one. Let's take a look at this one. It's got a little bit of a blemish on it, but still got a lot of green on it. But okay, so there you go. See, that one has a lot of black in it. I could still use part of this. I'm just going to cut off a little bit of this right here. I'll throw that piece in there. Set this one over here. And it smells really good. I just love that. Now, that's only in the green ones. You won't get that from these dark black ones that I've got here. That produces a different odor. In fact, I can tell you that using the black ones, you get the medicinal effects, which you'll read about on the internet, and you can also use it as a flavor. I mean, it's a black walnut, flavor at that point, and that's what people used to use in the old days. You can easily make this yourself. In 1,000 cc's, it's 400 milliliters or 400 grams if you want to do weight to weight of pure alcohol, and 600 cc's or 600 grams of deionized water or distilled water. And all we're going to do is drop in our hulls. You can use a mason jar. I'm using something similar to a mayonnaise jar, and just drop it in there and pour your liquid in and let it sit for 4 to 6 weeks, and then your extract's ready to use. And that's it. Put the cap on it. 3 ingredients, my own, or you can do this at home, your own, black walnut extract to use as you see fit. About every 2 or 3 days, take the bottle and just kind of invert it a couple of times, stir it. That just helps the extraction process. Simple. All right, this is the Flavor Guy. Talk to you soon. For more information on our flavors and flavor products, visit us at naturesflavors.com, where we have thousands of flavors and raw materials